Hobart Hurricanes Women vs Melbourne Renegades Women, Women Big Bash League 2023, match number 51. Melbourne Renegades Women won the toss, elected to field first. Hobart Hurricanes Women playing 11. Melbourne Renegades Women playing 11. Lizelle Lee, 101 runs. Ellis Villani captain, 22 runs. Bryony Smith, 0. Nicola Carey, 24 runs 1 wickets. Heather Graham, 55 runs no wicket. Naomi Stalenberg, did not bat. Ruth Johnston, did not bat. Molly Strano, did not bat no wicket. Amy Smith, did not bat 3 wickets. Shabneem Ismail, did not bat 2 wickets. Messi Gibson, did not bat 4 wickets. Hobart Hurricanes Women total innings score 212 at loss of 3 wickets, after 20 overs. Tammy Beaumont, 16 runs. Georgia Prestwidge, 9 runs 1 wickets. Harmanpreet Kaur, 0 number wicket. Hayley Matthews captain, 14 runs no wicket. Courtney Wen, 5 runs. Georgia Wareham, 14 runs 2 wickets. Emma de Broglie, 40 runs. Jess Duffin, 10 runs. Josephine Lully, 0. Sarah Cott, 2 runs no wicket. Sarah Kennedy, 0 number wicket. Melbourne Renegades Women total innings score 119 at loss of 10 wickets, after 16.2 overs. Hurricanes won by 93 runs. Player of the match, Lizelle Lee for 101 runs in just 53 balls. Points table, Adelaide Strikers Women is at top with 18 points in 12 matches.